Set your minds on the things above, not earthly things. Colossians chapter 3 verses 2. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so very much for coming back. Today I love to share this quick and very easy and tasty groundnut soup recipe with you. This is beginner friendly. It is so easy to make, but you will get the best results ever. So if you are interested, please stay tuned and let's do this together. So for this recipe, you'll be needing some groundnut paste or peanut butter. This was homemade and I've also shared the recipe. I'm going to link it here and below as well. For the proteins, I use some turkey wings and I'll be using some tomato paste, chicken seasoning and some salt. I have my garlic, ginger, tomatoes, red bell peppers, some onions, one slice of carrot, and I have some peppers as well. So as you see me here, I'm preparing for the seasoning. I'm blending my ginger, garlic and the onion. First of all, I just want to apologize for the high lighting. I really did not see this coming, but I see that the reflection is really high. Please forgive me on that. So to proceed with the soup, I go ahead and add my turkey wings, and here you can use chicken, meat, fish, any protein of choice. Okay, so I season it with my chicken seasoning, a bit of salt, and my ginger, garlic and onion blend. It smells amazing in here already. So I'm going to go ahead and introduce my tomato paste. I use about 2 tablespoons, but it really depends on the quantity. I made it in quite a big batch. I'm going to make sure everything is well combined and then add some few leaves of fresh basil. All right, it gives us that. As you can see, we have some tomato paste, we have some poultry, so the basil is going to work so well. I'm going to cover it and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes more. In the meantime, I'll go ahead and prepare for the peanut butter. And yes, I've already shared the recipe of this. If you missed it, please check down the link below and I will link it here again for you. Okay, it is really important, and because I made this at home, I already know what went into it. I know how I was able to work and cook this thoroughly, so I'm not worried about frying it on the side, making sure there is oil on top and it's well cooked before I introduce it to the base of the soup. Okay, I am going to throw it in right here right now. I have already shared other ways to make your peanut butter soup and I'm going to link it here. You can also check on that, compare, contrast, and just use whatever that works for you. Okay, as you pour in the groundnut, it's really important to be sure that you don't pour everything at once, because as you can see, the bottom lies a little bit of foreign materials that we do not want it in our soup. You can go ahead and use your strainer as well. Okay, so I'm going to make sure everything is well combined and I'll add my vegetables here. You can decide to also boil it on the side, but I just love everything in one pot. Easy peasy, right? I'm going to allow the vegetables to boil together for about 5 minutes and I'm going to take everything out and then blend it and then add it back to the soup. All right. The aroma in here is just so tempting. It smells amazing. So I'm going to add my blended vegetables. This has been cooking for the past 25 minutes or so. So we are going to cook it for an extra 25 minutes. You want to make sure that this peanut butter is very well cooked. It is very sensitive and I do not want you to end up having any stomach problems. All right. And of course, if you have a delicious soup like this, you want to pair it with something that will really go well. And for me, when I see peanut butter, I see rice balls, I can see banku, I can see fufu, or even rice. Today, hubby requested that we have it with some rice balls. So I went ahead to cook my rice. In here is about 2 cups of yasmin rice, and you make sure it is nice and soft and fluffy because we are going to turn it. So the rice took us about 20 to 25 minutes for it to get ready. You make sure that the water is well enough, okay? So the time that the rice got ready was the same time our soup was almost ready. We had about 5 minutes on us for the soup to get ready. I also threw in some peppers for garnishing and for anyone who want extra heat in their mouth. Now our rice is all done, and I'm going to turn this into a rice bowl the quickest and the laziest way, honestly. If you have a hand mixture, it works very well. And just in case you do not have a hand mixture at home, I highly recommend that you get one, okay? It is very handy, so amazing. I have it down below in my description box on my Amazon storefront, okay? Go grab yours. It's really inexpensive. So our mutsu or rice balls is ready. Our soup is just flavorful. Just look at that beauty on top. It's so good. What you have to do right now is to serve and enjoy. Of course, it is enjoyment time. I am very curious to know in the comment section, what is your favorite swallow to pair a very good and tasty peanut butter or groundnut soup like this with? Let me know. I'm very curious about it. All right. And so there you have it, family. Thank you so very much for watching right to the end. I really hope that you enjoy this quick but delicious groundnut soup recipe, and you're going to give this a try. As usual, my goal here is for you to learn a thing or two, and I hope you really picked something up. It is absolutely easy and very delicious. Please be sure to share to a few friends and family, and also do not forget to give me a thumbs up. All right, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.